Meet Mr. Happy, a business tycoon managing a massive empire. But lately, he's been worried about rising electricity bills.
Oh God, these electricity bills are killing me. I need a way to cut down on these electricity bills without hurting the planet. Natura Eco Energy, this looks interesting. I should call to get more details. Hey, I heard good things about Natura Eco Energy. You're supposed to be pretty solid.
That's true. Natura Eco Energy is a leading provider of solar EPC services, specializing in industrial applications. Solar power offers a sustainable and cost-effective way to meet your industrial energy needs. With over a decade of experience in the solar industry, Natura Eco Energy offers comprehensive C&I Solar EPC services for rooftop solar, ground-mounted solar, solar parks, and solar carport solutions. We design, install, and maintain your solar system, ensuring optimal performance and long-term value.
With Natura Eco Energy, you not only save on energy costs, but also significantly generate carbon credits, helping you contribute to a cleaner, greener future. Plus, enjoy the benefits of 100% financial support to make your solar journey even smoother.
And to give you peace of mind, we provide operation and maintenance services for the next 25 years after project commissioning. Are you ready to take the next step towards a more sustainable and cost-effective business? Let's start your solar power journey with Natura Eco Energy. Energy as clean as nature. Contact us today for more details.